This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
PCV valve replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. The PCV valve is located on the valve cover. To replace it, disconnect the hose from the valve, then unscrew the valve from the valve cover. Apply thread sealant to the threads of the new valve, then install it in the valve cover and tighten it securely. Reconnect the hose to the valve.